These breakfast egg boats are super filling to kickstart a jam-packed day. You can even bake these for friends and get a well-presented breakfast meal with just a little effort. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, add the eggs, cheddar cheese, salt, and ground black pepper. Whisk to combine. Then, hollow out the baguettes by cutting a circle and pulling out the bread inside. Pour the egg mixture into the baguettes and bake for 20 minutes. Serve with bacon bits, garnished with chopped chives. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.